Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upscale video quality with AI. It's really simple and easy. So as you can see, there are a lot of AI websites for upgrading the video quality. We are going to use this one here. As you can see, AI video enhancer online, VMark video. So what you have to do is you have to tap on this, click and drop upload files. And as you can see, our video is uploading now. So after uploading, it will auto processing. As you can see, it is processing now, and in this window you will see your upscale video. And after that you can choose ultra HD, or you can also do 4K as well. So after your video complete, you can tap on this download full video and you can download your video. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to upscale video quality with AI. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.